Hi everyone, welcome back to Better with Bridgetta. And today I'm making chicken over puff pastry. Your first ingredient is going to be Pepperidge Farm puff pastry, which you'll find in the freezer section. Cream of chicken soup, lemon pepper seasoning, chicken, milk, and frozen vegetables. I've already cooked 4 chicken breasts and I've seasoned them with lemon pepper seasoning, but you could also use salt and pepper. This is more than what I'm going to need, but that's okay because I'm going to save it for future recipes. I've shredded it by hand. You can also cube it, but we prefer it shredded. You can buy rotisserie chicken, or you can use your Instapot to cook your chicken. I used a slow cooker. You could cook it in the oven, whatever you like. And we're going to get started with these great ingredients. And you'll see how quick and easy, simple, and delicious this is. This is what your puff pastry looks like when it comes out of the package. Three of them are connected. You want to put them, this is their top side, and you want them facing up. Spread them out on your parchment paper. And they're going to go into an oven that I'm going to preheat 425. I'm just going to combine these last few ingredients. There's a half a cup of milk. We have a can of cream of chicken soup. Our chicken. And this is 2 cups. And our frozen veggies. Now you can use any combination. This is what I like to buy. They have other choices in the freezer section. And we're going to heat it up. Now sometimes I adjust it and add more milk. Sometimes I'll even add chicken broth if I feel like the ingredients are a little too dry. And as our oven is preheating, we'll just stir this around, keep it warm on the stove, and we're almost done. It's that easy. All right, we're going to put it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to take it out of the oven. Oh, it looks beautiful. Nothing like fresh cooked pastry. It's exactly how we want it. Piece. So I want to take the top off. Be careful because it's still hot. Maybe you can see the steam coming off of that. All right. Now it's time to fill it. Our filling is cooked and ready to put inside. The amount you put in is up to you. So piling on top and down the sides. Look at that. You can also make this recipe with beef, and they also have options to use it as a dessert, which we haven't done yet. Now it's time to enjoy a puff pastry. It's delicious.
This is always a member of the Clean Plate Club.
Yes. It's so easy. The only effort comes in the chicken. Whether no matter how you cook it, I try to always have chicken on hand that I can use, and this can be a weeknight meal.
Look at that, delicious.
Mm-hmm. You have to try this.
This is quick and easy and delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Never any leftovers with this dish.
That's right.
Thank you, Bridgetta.
You're welcome. And thank you to all our subscribers, whether you're new or you've been watching since the beginning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again real soon. Bye.